Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily hide and unhide your home screen pages on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to tap on free area on your home screen and until you will see that your icons start dragging, and now you just need to press here, just tap here, and you will see all of your home screen pages, and near every home screen page you will see under every home page screen you will see this selected, so just unselect it. So for example I will unselect the latest one, so I will leave only one. So now you can see that I also have only one home screen, so it successfully hide my home screen pages. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.